NVIDIA Riva 101, NVIDIA Riva Tutorial. NVIDIA Riva is a software development kit for building customizable, real-time conversational AI applications with automatic speech recognition, ASR, text-to-speech, TTS, and neural machine translation, NMT, features. You can deploy Riva in clouds, data centers, at the edge, or on embedded devices for various languages and accent superscript 1. Some of the details of NVIDIA Riva are: features, multilingual, achieve high transcription accuracy for bilingual and multilingual translations of 12 languages, and deploy 2 out-of-the-box expressive professional female and male voices for 5 languages with state-of-the-art models pre-trained on thousands of hours of audio on NVIDIA supercomputers. Fully customizable, customize across ASR pipelines for different languages, accents, domains, vocabulary, and context for the best possible accuracy for your use case, and across TTS pipelines for the voice and intonation you want. Flexible deployments, provide consistent experiences to your customers for hundreds of thousands of input streams with higher inference performance versus existing technology, and on deployment of your choice in data centers, on premises, in the cloud, at the edge, or on embedded devices. Cons: high price, get unlimited usage on all clouds, access to NVIDIA AI experts, and long-term support for production deployments with the purchase of NVIDIA AI Enterprise, which may be costly for some users. Limited trial, get access to free Riva containers for development for 90 days as a member of the NVIDIA Developer Program, which may not be enough time for some users to fully explore and evaluate Riva. Complex setup, follow the detailed instructions for deploying pre-trained models as services on a local workstation and how to interact with them through a client, which may require some technical skills and experience. Pro setup tips, check the system requirements and prerequisites before installing Riva. Use the NVIDIA NGC catalog to download the Riva containers and models for your target platform. Use the Docker commands to run the Riva containers and start the Riva services. Use the Riva client examples to test the Riva services and get familiar with the Riva API. Pro tips for using Riva: use the Riva AI workflows to accelerate development with packaged AI workflows for audio transcription and intelligent virtual assistants. Use the Riva tutorials and notebooks to learn how to build and deploy end-to-end speech and translation AI pipelines using Riva. Use the Riva forums and documentation to get support and feedback from the Riva community and experts. Known issues and fixes: some Riva models may not support certain languages or accents. To fix this, you can either use a different model that supports your desired language or accent, or train your own custom model using the Riva training tools. Some Riva services may not start or run properly due to configuration errors or compatibility issues. To fix this, you can either check the Riva logs and error messages for troubleshooting, or contact the Riva technical support for assistance. Alternatives: if you are looking for a different software development kit for building conversational AI applications, you can consider the following options: Amazon Lex, a cloud-based service that lets you build conversational interfaces using voice and text, powered by the same technology as Amazon Alexa. Google Dialogflow, a cloud-based service that lets rich conversational experiences across multiple platforms and devices, powered by Google's machine learning and natural language understanding. Microsoft Bot Framework, a cloud-based service that lets you build intelligent bots that can communicate with users across multiple channels, powered by Microsoft's cognitive services and natural language processing. Learn more. 1. Riva Automatic Speech Recognition NVIDIA. https://